Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to view all your TikTok stories. Fortunately, TikTok stories are all archived by TikTok app. Before you begin, make sure you have posted a TikTok story 24 hours prior to this step. Any TikTok story posted within 24 hours, you will not see it in this section where TikTok stories are archived. So on your phone, open up your TikTok app. Tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Now tap on the lock symbol, which is your private section. Here on iOS phones, you'll see Stories Archive. On an Android phone, you'll see all your stories one by one. On iOS, you'll need to tap on Stories Archive. Once you tap on it, you'll see all your TikTok stories you have posted. And that is how to view all your TikTok stories. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.